Question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG, and triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Third, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. B. Draw a triangle. Two triangles A, B, C and D. E, F, G and lies H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Bisector of ACB, ACB and angle EGF, EGF. D and H lie on the sides AB and EF of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. Given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, it's given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle G, and AB upon FE, AB upon FE is equal to BC upon EG, BC upon EG, that is equal to AC upon FG. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH, ACD and triangle FGH, angle A is equal to angle F given, and angle 1 is equal to ACD is equal to angle GFH. Angle 1 is equal to and half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. By angle similarity, we get triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. This implies CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. By angle similarity, ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Angle A is equal to angle F, given half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. By angle similarity, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH. CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. So, corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. Then CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. First part hold. Hence proved. AC upon FG is equal to BC upon EG and CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Proved above. CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG and AC upon FG equal to BC upon EG. This implies CD upon GH is equal to BC upon EG. In triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That is half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. And CD upon GH equal to BC upon EG. Sides are equal by SAS rule. We get triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Second part hold. And in triangle DCA and HGF, in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 bisectors, and CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Side angle side by SAS rule, we get triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF, hence proved. In triangle ACB and triangle EGF, D and H lies on side AB and FE on triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle A is angle F, angle B is angle E, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle G, then AB upon FE is equal to BC upon EG, that is equal to AC upon FG. And in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, angle A is equal to angle F, that is half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. Triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH by angle similarity, and CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. Corresponding sides of the similar triangle are equal. So CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG, hence proved. AC upon FG equal to BC upon EG. AC upon FG is equal to BC upon EG, and CD upon GH equal to AC upon FG. AC upon FG, BC is equal to BC upon EG, and AC upon FG is equal to CD upon GH. This implies CD upon GH equal to BC upon EG. Triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G, and sides are equal. So by SAS rule, we get triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE, and second part hold. And in triangle DCA, triangle HGF, in triangle DCA and HGF, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 bisectors, and CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Then triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF by SAS rule. Side angle sides are equal, and angle 1 by bisectors, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So by SAS rule, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF, hence proved. Question number 11. In the given figure is the point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. with AB is equal to AC if AB is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. CDBEA. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle ADB is equal to triangle EFC is 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal by angle similarity. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. We have given triangles ABD, ABD and triangle ECF, ECF. Angle ADB, that is 90 degree, and angle EFC, that is 90 degree. Angle ADB is equal to angle EFC is 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Angle opposite to equal sides. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So by SS similarity we get triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Hence proved. Question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Seen given, show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Given A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, M. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, that is equal to AD upon PM. Given, that is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to half of BC. Half of BC equal to BD and half of QR is equal to AD upon PM. Half of BC is BD and half of QR is equal to QM. That is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to half of BC is BD and half of QR is equal to QM equal to AD upon PM. This implies triangle ABD and PQM are similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS rule, side angle side rule. AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM equal to AD upon PM. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS rule. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So angle B is equal to angle Q. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR given, and angle B is equal to angle Q proved above by SAS rule. We get triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. In triangle ABC, given triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. It's given, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC's half of BC dividing both sides, half of BC, half of QR, half of BC is equal to BD. BD is equal to half of BC and QM is equal to half of QR. That is equal to AD upon PM. Half of BC is BD, half of QR is QM is equal to AD upon PM. This implies triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar by SAS rule, and corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So angle B equal to angle Q. And in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. It's given, and we have proved angle B is equal to angle Q. So by SAS rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. A, B, C, D. Given triangle. In triangle ACB and triangle DCA, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Given. Angle C is equal to angle C common. Angle C is equal to angle C common by angle similarity. We get triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA. ACB and triangle DCA. Angle C is angle C, both side common, and BAC is equal to ADC. It's given by angle similarity. ACB is similar to triangle DCA, and corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. That is CB upon CA is equal to CA upon CD. This implies CA into CA, that is CA square, and CB into CD. Hence proved. In triangle ABC, given triangle ABC, triangles ACB and triangle DCA. ADC equal to angle ADC equal to angle BAC. It's given, and angle C is common by angle similarity. Triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA, and corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. So corresponding sides CB upon CA is equal to CA upon CD. CB upon CA equal to CA upon CD. CB upon CA equal to CA upon CD. CA multiplied by CA, that is CA square, and CB into CD. CB into CD is equal to CA square. Hence proved. CA square equal to CB into CD. Question number 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. A, B, C, D, E. 28 meter. 28 meter and 4 meter, 6 meter. Let height of tower is equal to h. Height is equal to h meter. Length of shadow is equal to CD is equal to 4 meter. Length of DE vertical is equal to 6 meter, and length of shadow BC is equal to 28 meter. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle EDC is equal to angle ABC, each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Angle C is equal to common, its common side, by angle similarity triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. So corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. AB upon ED is equal to BC upon DC. AB is H upon ED is 6 equal to BC is 28 upon DC is 4. This implies H is equal to 28 multiplied by 6 divided by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 14 2s are 28. Height is equal to 42 meter. Answer. In triangle ABC, let height of find the height of the tower. Let height of the tower be h meter and length of shadow ED equal to 4 meter and length of shadow CD is equal to 4 meter and length of D is equal to 6 meter. Length of shadow BC is equal to 28 meter. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle EDC equal to angle ABC, EDC equal to angle ABC is 90 degree, and angle C is common both triangles, angle C equal to angle C. By angle similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC, and corresponding sides of similar triangle are equal. So AB upon ED is equal to BC upon DC, and AB is H, ED is 6 meter equal to BC equal to 28 and DC is equal to 4. 6 multiplied by 28 divided by 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 and 14 2s are 28. Then we get height H equal to 20. 14 3s are 42 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.